In this video, let's learn how to factory data reset on Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to accounts and backup option. In here, click on reset option. Scroll down this page. In here, you can see factory data reset option. Click on it. If you reset your mobile, your all data will be removed. Delete all media files, delete all apps, accounts, all data will lose when you reset your mobile. You can see the instructions in here. Now I am going to reset A06 mobile. Click on reset button and click on delete all. Now you can see shutting down. Now our mobile is going to reset. Okay, now we successfully reset our Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile. Now you can set up this mobile as a new phone. I already created a video how to set up this Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile. If you want to set up your A06 mobile, you can watch that video. Now I am going to stop uploading Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile tips and tricks and hidden features videos. This is the last video of A06 mobile. If you like to watch more mobile unboxing videos and tips and tricks videos, you can subscribe our channel and join with us. Let's meet on our next new video. Have a nice day. Goodbye my old friends.